Okay, well, hello everyone. Uh, Gyro is back. Hey, Sanafano. Yeah, first. Uh, yeah, I'm doing okay. I'm not really productive for the last couple of days, but that's okay. I can let myself take some take some more rest for a bit, but I still try to make stuff done. Get stuff done. Yeah, okay. So, before we continue, okay, a little flashbang. How you doing, man? I didn't manage to properly say hello at any of your streams recently. Exactly, because mostly for the first part of any day I was really sleepy. uh, okay, so I think we are set. Let's get onto it. Okay, so what? Uh, Today we're gonna continue working on some tasks. I'm planning to finish at least a couple of those. Okay, let's remove those. What was that? Okay, I think it's my neighbors. Add tooltips for commands, especially for deleting with bomb icon. Okay, so let's think about it. So we're talking about those. How can I implement? Okay, flashbang warning. Okay, BB code. I think I saw something here. Mm. Okay, I'm curious if I can make it work in Inspector. No. Okay. Then we're gonna do it. Okay, I have them here already. So let's try this. Destroy button text. Destroy command and okay, sorry. I thought I was about to sneeze. Weird. Okay. Now let's see if I remove this. Okay, Then, oh, so should I put it like this? I don't get it. I hate that documentation. It's so fucking confusing. I cannot. Quotes will appear as in the... Okay, but then you're talking about this? No. Then this? What the fuck do you want from me? I need this to be in quotes. I don't get it. Or this. I thought that I was... Why it says here that I should use this, but then it's not like, nah, don't do this. Oh, it's because I'm stupid. It's because it's working for the rich text label. I cannot make it work for buttons. Or can I? Maybe I can. Let's see. Where's our buttons? God damn it. Oh. I'm an idiot. Okay, okay. Let's see. Okay, I'll work with focus tool. Okay, I don't think this is like really critical. So I think I can leave it like this for now. Huh? Okay, really quickly. Mhm. Okay, let's see how it looks. Mhm. Mm. Okay. Let's see if it does anything. Okay, so time required for the tooltip to appear can be changed with white timers. Where is it? Is it here? Okay, timers. Let's set to Oh. Wait, it's... Oh. Okay. Okay. Hmm. Wait. Hmm. Let's see. Okay, no. I don't like this one. Let's get back to one. Okay. It didn't need any restarting. I think it's already there. Okay. I wonder. Okay. Now I'm interested. Okay. Oh, this is interesting. Okay. Mhm. Okay. Okay, can I change the transparency? Mm, mm, because the problem is I don't like that it's too transparent. Mm, 25 FPS. Yeah. Okay, where should I? Uh, okay, flashbang warning. Mm, okay. Mm, yeah. Ah, there's always those small things. Okay, I'll try to find it in my spare time. Uh, I don't want to waste it, since we already did a lot more than I had planned. Data title, yeah, tooltip, there it is. Okay. Okay, I think we are good to go. Update command to get upgrade point. Yeah, you can do it like this. Okay. I think it's okay. Rework step move turn terminology tooltips for command. Okay. Yeah. Oh, I copy pasted. I was in a bit of a rush. Rework step move turn terminology. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, first of all, returns curls. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay, I think Here we are done. Page. Canon. Maybe canon step. I'll change. I'll think about it. Okay, so those can stay. Okay, I think we mostly fixed that. Okay. I'm not gonna delete this. Well, instead. Okay, now this one will take some time. Okay, first of all, is how will it look? Yeah, not exactly. It still needs some work. Okay, that's task for another day. I'm not gonna get sidetracked. Okay, so I need some kind of. There isn't a lot of space inside those buttons. That's the problem. Although I think I can make them a little bit bigger. I'll just expand. Let's see if I can make it something like this. So, okay, wait a sec. Yes, so they will look okay. Okay, and again, it can be like this. Now, okay, yeah, I've made that mistake once. I don't want to make it again. Let's start with Okay. 1, 2. Okay. Okay. Those. Thank God I changed to that function instead of hard coding the coordinates. I'm a bit lazy to play through the whole wave just to see if it works. Okay. Okay. So I can move it a little bit back. Fine. Kind of like this, I think. Let's see. Okay, I think this should be fine. Yeah, okay. And I can move those a bit closer. I think this is enough. Okay, so now okay, so how do I do this? 0 to 5. Something like this. Okay, let me think for a sec. So currently the problem is that this isn't, it's part of the button. If I want to update text, that would be a bit easier, but for that I'm gonna have to make text move with the same mechanic, all of this kind of bullshit. So yeah, if I implement variable here, it'll show the text of the variable, name of the variable, not okay, but I'm curious if I can tweak this a little bit. Okay, something like this. Yeah, I don't really care how it looks now. I wonder if it'll move child too. It's efficient move. This one? Okay, yeah, it's this one. So let's move it over here and do it like this. I need efficiency. Okay, so it moves. Now this makes things a bit easier. Just a notch. Yeah. So let's go back to the first one. So I need it to work the same way for all of those. So I'll put them over here. Okay, so okay, perfect. Can I make it work like this? This way I could have stayed with the previous ones. Yeah, I may add some stuff to buttons themselves, but I think if I make it on the bottom right, kind of like this, kind of like here. Okay, wait. I wonder. Can I make it? Okay, let me see. Okay, so it doesn't affect it that much. but it's for all of those styles. Let's see, on level, okay, it's okay here. And how it looks here, okay, it looks okay, I think. So if I add same style here, okay, I think this might work. Grade 3 level. Grade 4 level. Okay. Tier 2. This one goes here, this one goes here, and this one goes over here. Yeah, it's not the most exciting part, but okay, let me do it even more efficiently. Okay, this is here, it's for tier 3, then with tier 4, and with tier 5. And now I'll simply do it. I simply rename them tiny bit. Tier 3, tier 3. Okay. Now this goes here, this goes here, this goes here, and tier 4, tier 4, tier 4. Oh shoot, I didn't move them. Okay, this is fine. This stays here, this goes here, this goes here, and this one goes over here. And now Okay, I think I did fine, and now, yeah, okay. Now, before I continue, I just want to see how it looks. Damn. A bit on top of each other. I mean, I have some place. I can move it a bit higher. Okay. Oh, wait. I don't need to move those. I need to move this. Yeah, like this. Now this also goes over here. And then here button one, here button one, this one, this one, and I think tier 5 too goes. Maybe even kind of like this, and okay, let's see how it looks now. Okay, a bit too much, but that's good. The fact that I have some place, some space to spare. One, two. Okay, I'm not gonna leave them. Let me see how it looks now. Okay. Okay, now let's do this. 1, 2 here. Okay, let's see how it looks now. Okay, so all of those just a bit higher. Okay, I wanna finish with this part and we'll be done for today. I'll try to work on the code, but it'll be just as tedious. It's not anything complicated. I already done that, but with the wave counter, so it's really nothing complicated, but yeah, I don't know why I have to do this with that stupid offset, but it is what it is. Okay, just one step lower. And then I'll make this one like this. And I think it should look okay. Okay. I kinda like how it looks now. I will work on other stuff. Just... okay, I don't like that top part. Let me try it kinda like this. Yeah, I'm a bit of a perfectionist when it comes to this. Oh, hi, Hanno. Well, it's going actually pretty well. I am finishing soon with the game dev section. I'm making my streams a bit shorter. But I currently am working on this. I was working on this. I was working so it would still look okay. So the idea, like, it was from the start that for those tier upgrades, they all have the top level up to 5. And every 5 points spent for a certain tier unlocks for you another tier. But I had no visual representation for it. At first I made buttons bigger, but I think I'll leave it like this. I kinda like them big. Yeah, that's what she said. But I decided to add those counters underneath. I think they look pretty good like this. Right now they don't do anything. I'm gonna have to implement that code, but it's nothing complicated, it's just tedious because I have the exact same mechanic already implemented for the wave counter for this. Here, like, we are at the wave 5. If I restart, okay, we are at wave 1. So I just have to basically copy paste this into another code. It'll just take a lot of time. But I'm pretty happy with how it looks. So yeah, basically I'm done for today for game dev section. what I did today. Let's get through this. Okay, so I'm not gonna redo this. Okay, so first of all, I added tooltips. This may be interesting to you, Hano, if you're still here. Since you are too working in Godot, a lot of nodes have this stuff implemented. Like I hover this on top of something and I get a small tooltip. It can really help with some stuff that isn't like really obvious in your game. So I did a bunch of those here. And how you can do them, basically it worked for me for rich text label, for bars, I think for a lot of things. This is almost basic tooltips, but yeah, so basically in the control part, if it's control related node, I think it should have tooltip. I'm curious. Okay, yeah, so sprites doesn't have tooltips figures. And you just print whatever text you need over here. And after this, you go to project settings, GUI, theme, and here you can add custom font. Then in font sizes, you simply change the size of that font. And another thing that really helped me is it is in the description of tooltips. It's not in Google. It was really helpful tooltip from the Godot itself. So here you can work with timers. Basic one is half a second. I changed it to 0.2 seconds, so they would appear earlier. But you can do whatever you want with them. There are some ways on working with the themes. I haven't figured it out yet, but I'll do it later. So that's the plan for the future. But yeah, today was a lot of like really tedious work. So I added tooltips, not just for commands, especially for delete with bound icon, but for a lot of stuff on the screen. I added some stuff to the tutorial. I reworked my a bit confusing step move turn terminology. And I started adding amount of upgrade points spent and levels for tier upgrades. Like right now, I only need to implement that mechanic, like basically copy paste a bunch of code and setting certain variables, changing variables. Maybe I'll do it tomorrow because I don't do a lot of off-stream work right now. I have a lot of other stuff that needs to be done, like really needs to be done, a lot of higher priority. But yeah, so yeah, this is it. And oh, no worries. I'm happy to help. So right now I'm gonna go have a quick break, like less than 5 minutes, and then I'll return and we'll continue playing a really interesting game that I started yesterday, which is called If on a Winter's Night for Travelers. it's really beautiful and interesting adventure game. So yeah, that's the plan for the rest of the stream. So yeah, I'll be leaving now for a quick break and be right back.